Hello everyone, welcome back to all of you on this Unacademy channel, right? And as you know, this channel is for ISC board class 11 and 12th, right? So I just welcome you all on this channel of Unacademy. So here, as you know, today's session is about SQP session for class 12th, right? That means we are just going to solve a sample question paper of mathematics in class 12th. Okay, so in the previous session, if you know that we have already completed section A and section B, now this is the time that how many students are going to choose section C in place of B, how many type of questions can be there, how much marks questions can be there, or how do you solve it, right? This we are going to discuss today. So today we are just going to solve section C part, okay, which maybe some of them has chosen as a part to be done. Okay, so we are just going to complete it today only. Okay, so let's see how many of you are going to be a part of it session. So here we go. First of all, I would like to introduce myself to all of you, as my name is Sanam Jain. I have done masters in mathematics. I'm having more than 8 years of teaching experience of teaching mathematics in different boards like CBSE, ICSE, ISC and other state boards also. So definitely I can help you out to learn mathematics in different ways, and I can also help you out to tackle different problems you are facing in mathematics. So here, whoever is written the content in the chat box, please write in English so it will be better to communicate with you all, right? So today's session is about SQP session. So first of all, how many learners are new? If they have not joined my Telegram channel till now, I am just showing you the link in front of you. You can see the link on the screen. So here, by using this link, you will be able to join my Telegram channel, and there you will get the updates regarding your special classes which are going to be conducted on Unacademy platform. So by using this link, you will be able to join my Telegram channel, and from there you will be getting the updates of special classes. So you will be able to join those special classes also. So you will get benefited as a free live classes. Understand? That means there also you will be able to be a part of free live classes which are given to you, okay, as free. So now you can copy this link over here, and by copying this link you will be able to join. Just click on this link and you will be able to join my Telegram channel link. Understand? So here we go. I would like to tell you some of the Unacademy free special class features, as if you know that you will be having a lifetime interaction, right? This you know very well that we will be having a lifetime interaction using chats and emojis. But with this, you are having so many best feature that you can ask questions using the question tab. It means right now on YouTube, you are able to ask the questions only writing in a chat box, right or not? But on an Academy portal, if you are taking the special classes, you will be having the option to ask the questions by using the question tab. As you can see this tab, in this we are having two options. Even you can write the question, or you can also attach the image of the question. That means by clicking the image of the question, you can send to your educator, and at a time you can clear your doubts with your educator. That means in live classes also you will be able to send the images of your doubts, and you can be able to clear the doubts of your session. Understand? Here we go with the next feature that is very important, that you will be having a live poll options for quiz. That means here on YouTube you will be able to write only options in a chat box, right? But on Unacademy portal you will be able to see these kind of options on your dashboard. That means आप अपनी स्क्रीन पे ये ऑप्शंस आपको देखने को मिलेंगे, इस पर आप इजीली क्लिक कर सकते हो which option you want to give the answer, right? So this is the best part for you, that if a teacher or educator is giving you some of the questions like this, and it is divided into four MCQs, four parts as ABCD, so you will be getting an option like this. So you will be able to give your answer by using this feature. Understand that if you think that option B is correct, you can click on option B, so it will be sent your answer to the educator that you have answered as B. Understand? So this is the best feature for you. And after that, you must be knowing that you can compete yourself with your friends. That means how many are going to attend the class or attend the session at the time, you can be able to compete with them by using the poll leadership board. Understand? Poll leadership board is just show your ranking, that how many answers you have given, how many questions, poll questions teacher has asked to you, and after that how many answers you have given correct, and what is your position in the class. Understand? So by using this you will be able to compete with your friends. So I think this is the best combined features, okay, which is given by Unacademy for free special classes. That means it is just completely free for you. So you must be knowing that this is the best feature that can be given by Unacademy. And now I would like to tell you one of my special class timing, which is going to be conducted by tomorrow, that is 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. Right? So just block your calendar as per the given timing, right? So the topic is differential equation, that is pole war on differential equation. That means you can be able to answer the so many questions on pole war, and you can check your ranking in a leadership board. Understand? So you will be able to understand that where do you stand in the class, on how much preparation is going on, or how much you need to do better, right? So this can be done by using my special class, okay, and you will be able to join it. And to join this class, you just need to go to the Unacademy app, okay, there just put up my code. When you are enrolled something, put up my code as Sanam J live, and you will be able to unlock this class as free. You will be unlock this class as free by using this code, okay. So you will be able to cover your pole war session with us. Understand? Now I would like to tell you some of the best features on plus subscriptions, right? Actually, what are plus subscription? So basically, the features you are getting in the special class, there are some more features you will be getting in the plus subscription. So which I am going to tell you. See, if you are going to choose a plus subscription on an academy, so you will be benefited with the very first option, that is learn the live from the comfort of your home. This is the part which you have already done. Unlimited access to all the courses. That means as you become a plus subscriber, you will be having unlimited access to all the courses, understand, at a time. And you will be able to be a part of top educators of India on one platform. That means you can ask your query with the different educators which are present as the top educators of India on a particular platform, right? And here regular doubt session will be there, and you will be able to write the answer writing session also. That means answer writing session shows you that how to write the answer to get the maximum marks in the examination. That means आपको ये पता करना है कि आपको जस्ट सपोज 4 मार्क्स का आंसर है, तो आपको उसमें कितने स्टेप जो है रिक्वायर्ड हैं जो आप लिखेंगे, तो यू विल बी गेटिंग द फुल मार्क्स इन द एग्जामिनेशन, राइट? सो दिस इज ऑल्सो अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट, okay, which is not given any other portal, right? So as you know that regular doubts, after clearing regular doubt session, you will be able to be a part of answer writing session also. So you will be able to understand that how much time you have to give an exam to write the questions and how much you need to write, okay, कितना हमें किस क्वेश्चन के आंसर में सॉल्यूशन देना है. With the every step, so you will be getting the maximum marks. So this is all based on the answer writing session. So you can be a part of these answer writing session also in the plus classes. Here is Anushri Dubey. Anushri De. Hello, beta. How are you? From which class do you belong, beta? Okay. From which class do you belong? Okay, okay, okay. Fine. It's completely fine. Okay. So this is a session for class 12 students. So I'm really very sorry for you. Okay. And all the very best for your exam, beta. I hope that exams are already going on. Okay. Thank you so much. You also take care. And here we go, that you will be having an exhaustive covering of syllabus. As you know, term second examination are already running or nearby, right? So term second examination are going to be conducted, and we are just giving the preparation of term second examination, and we are just going to complete the whole syllabus of term second examination over here. Okay, I know, my dear, 8th class exams are going on, so all the very best for you. And mentorship and guidance will be there, right? And you will be having a study material in PDF format. That means all the things which you are going to study in the class, you will get all the notes in the PDF format in your dashboard, and you will be able to be a part of practice sets, okay. And you will be having a part of live test series also, which are already running on the platform of Unacademy, right? So, and you can be a part of batch course also. So these all the features are here which you can be a part of it, okay. And you will be benefited with this all, understand? So I just suggest you to just be a plus subscriber and just use my code, which is Sanam J Live, and get 10% discount too. So use this code SANAMJLIVE, Sanam J Live, and just be a part of plus subscription and just get 10% discount too. Understand? Now I would like to tell you some of the subscription plan on Unacademy, as if you are going to be a class 12 subscription. That means if you are going to take a class 12 subscription plan, then you'll be having a 12-month subscription as 1250 rupees per month. Okay, 9-month subscription you will be having as 144 rupees per month. This is 1667 rupees per month for 6 months, and for 3 months you'll be having 2500 per month. Right, so you can be a part of these kind of session, and you can be a part of this kind of subscription, and you can use my code over here. Here you need to mention my code, which is Sanam J Live, SANAMJLIVE, and we are part of Unacademy subscriber. Right, we are part of Unacademy subscription, and just go and get it as soon as possible. And one of the best feature I am having for you right now, okay, which I am going to tell you. Okay, the offer says that if you are having 12 months plan, that means if you are going to take 12 months plan, so you will be getting 2 months plan as free. That means in a price of 12 months, you will be getting 14 months plan. So this is the best time for you to choose the Unacademy subscription, okay, and go and get it and use my code, so you'll be getting 10% discount also. And here I would like to tell you that there's also an open house announcement over here, as you can study with your favorite educator in the classroom, and you can interact with them outside also, and through open house. Through open house. In this open house, you will be able to talk, engage, and feel closer to them like never before. That means you can discuss your doubts in a open house announcement also. Okay, and you will be able to learn without boundary, without any limit, and you can learn openly. Understand? So you can be a part of open house session also, which will give you so much interesting part. Okay, you will be able to connect with the educators easily, and you can be able to clear your doubts in that open house session also, right? So for now, here we go with the general instruction, which is given by uh, the examination board, right? So as you I have already discussed with you previously, that there will be an 1.5 hour question paper, right? In this, the maximum marks is 40, right? So out of 40, we have already solved 32 plus 8, right? We have already solved 32 plus 8. This 8 marks we have solved as section B, right? But today we are just going to be a part of section C, as maybe some of the students are not going to choose section B, they will choose section C, right? Because you are having the choice that you can either be a part of section B or you can be a part of section C. So if you have not chosen section B, then today we are just going to solve section C. How many types of questions are there? How do we solve it? This I am going to let you know. Understand? So I hope you will enjoy it definitely, and you will be able to understand that what kind of question and what kind of answers you have to mention in the answer script. Understand? Okay, so now we are just going to move with the 8 marks questions, which is given by section C. Okay, so today we are just going to be solve section C over here. So here we go with the 12th question, which is of section C, and section C is of 8 marks. Okay, just keep in mind. Now, this session in this section C, there will be a topics like linear programming. There will be a topics like correlation, regression. Okay, application of integral. These types of questions will be there related to statistics, related to analysis. Okay, so you can be a part of it. So how many students are going to solve this section? You can see that how many types of questions are coming. Okay, this section is of 8 marks only. Okay, where some of the question you will be getting, one or two question you will be getting from correlation, regression, or one of the question you will be getting from linear programming. So you will be able to understand how to solve them. Okay, so here we go with the very first question today. Okay, which says what? If the regression line of x on y, regression line on x on y is 9x plus 3y minus 46 is equals to 0, and y on x is 3x plus 12y minus 7 is equals to 0, so correlation coefficient of r is equal to. That means we have to take out the value of r over here. Understand? What is given to you? the line on x on y and regression line on y on x, both are given to you, right? So here we need to find out the coefficient correlation coefficient as r. Understand? So here we go. We are going to solve this question and you will be able to understand. And I'm just giving you, first of all, 2 minutes. If you are knowing how to solve it, so try by yourself. Okay, I'm just giving you 2 minutes to solve this question. Try by yourself. Otherwise, I'm going to explain it. Okay, so just try. You are having 2 minutes to solve this question. Okay. Otherwise, I'll help you how to solve this question. First of all, they have given you regression line on x on y, right? So by this equation, what we can find, how can we use these equations to find the value of coefficient of correlation? This you need to understand. As they have said regression line of x and y, x on y. So we can consider this line as what? We can consider this line as b of xy. From here we can find out b of xy. So if we are writing this equation as 9x plus 3y is equals to 46, will it be okay? Now we are just, this is x on y. So we are just finding the value of x and we are just transpose the value of given coefficients. Okay, so here we can write 9x is equals to what? We can write 46 minus 3y. Yes or no? Now we can write x is equals to 46 divided by 9 minus 3y out of 9. Yes or no? We can write minus 3y upon 9. So we have just sent this 9 over here. Now, as we are finding b of xy, b on x on y. So if we are finding this, you will be having minus 3 upon 9. You will get the value as minus 3 upon 9. Yes or no? Simply, we are just going to find, now we will find out y on x. That means we are just find out b of y on x. Understand or not? So why, how do we find this? With a given equation which is given like 3x plus 12y minus 7, that is equal to 0. So we can write this equation as 3x plus 12y is equals to 7, and then we can write this as 12y, that is equal to 7 minus 3x. Okay, and y is equals to 7 upon 12 minus 3 upon 12 into x. Agree? I hope you understand. Okay, so here if we are finding b of y on x, that will be equal to how much? Minus 3 upon 12. This is x over here. Okay, don't forget to write x. So b of y on x will be minus 3 upon 12. Now we have got both the values. Now we know the formula. Now we know the formula that says r is equals to under root b of x on y into b of y on x. So we can write here under root. This will be minus 3 upon 9 multiply by minus 3 upon 12. Yes or no? So minus into minus, this will be plus, and 3 3s are 9. So this will be cancelled out with this, and now we are getting 1 upon under root 12. So 1 upon under root 12 can be written as, this can be written as r is equals to 1 upon 2 under root 3. Right or not? This will be your coefficient of correlation. Okay, so which option will be correct? We need to find this. Which option will be correct? Option C or D? See, R is coming like this, but they want correlation coefficient is equal to, and we know it is negative, so we will choose option C over here to be answer. Understand? We will be choosing option C over here. So option C will be your correct answer. Okay. Now let's go for the next question to be solved out. So I'm giving you time to solve this question also. Now solve this one, second one. I'm giving you 2 minutes time to solve it. Try it. I'm waiting for your answer. You're having still 2 minutes. Try it. This is the question which can be done directly by using the formula, right? And we have to just find out the regression line of x on y. So I hope you are knowing the formula. I'm just telling you the formula first of all, so you can use it. So you'll be able to find the equation of line. So we can write here equation of line of regression okay x on y. That will be what? That will be x minus x bar, that is equal to r dx upon dy y minus y bar, right or not? Or you can write this as sigma x upon sigma y also. Dx upon dy can be written as sigma x upon sigma y also. Okay, according to this you can choose the वैल्यू वेरिएबल आप चूज कर सकते हो सिग्मा या dx, वो आपकी चॉइस है. मैं यहाँ पे आपका सिग्मा यूज कर सकते हो, इसको आप सिग्मा x अपॉन सिग्मा y भी लिख सकते हो, राइट. somewhere we are using d, somewhere we are using sigma, so sigma x upon sigma y, understand? So you can use this also. Now try to find out. I have just explained you about the question. Now I hope you will be able to find it, because x bar is given, y bar is given, right? This is given, this is also given, r is also given. You have to just take out the equation. Try it. I'm giving you 2 minutes to solve it. I'm expecting that you have already done, or some are doing. Take your time, no issues. You just need to place the values, that's it. So here I'm just going to solve it now. Here, first of all, the given information, as x bar is given like 40, so x minus 40 is equals to, r is given 0.9, so we can put up 0.9 over here, right? And here summation of sigma x is given 10, sigma y is given 1.5 into y minus y bar. Y minus y bar is given 6. Okay, so all the values we have put up over here. Now we can remove this decimal, we can write here 100, and we can remove this decimal, we can write here 10. So 1 0 will be cancelled out. Now 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 3 3s are 9. So we are getting x minus 40, that is equal to 3 2s are 6. Okay, 6 into y minus 6. So we can solve it further. X minus 40, that is equal to 6y minus 36. So we are getting x minus 6y minus 40 plus 36, that is equal to 0. Right? So we are getting x minus 6y minus 40 plus 36, that is minus 4, that is equal to 0. So which option will be correct? Option A will be correct. Right? This option will be, this is 4 actually. Okay. So option A will be correct answer. I hope you understood this. Right? Okay. Now we are moving to the next question. And just note down this formula. Okay, don't forget this formula to be noted down. This will help you to find out the equation of regression of line. Okay, now let's talk about the next question, 13th one. Okay, let's talk about this question now. They are asking b of xy and b of yx, both they are asking, right? So here also this question can be done by using the formula. I hope you are already knowing the formula. So I'm just giving you 2 minutes to take out the value. Otherwise, I'll help you out to take out the value. Okay, I'm giving you 2 minutes to solve it. Try by yourself. I'm waiting for your answer. You can write in the chat box. I'm expecting that you are already knowing the formula. Try it. Okay, I'm just telling you the formula now. Okay, so you can, by using the formula, maybe you will be able to find out if you are not knowing the formula. First of all, just note down the given value. Okay, so we are just noting down the given value first of all, as summation of x is given 15, right? Summation of y is given 25. Summation of x square is given as 55. Summation of y square is given as 135, and summation of xy is given like 83. So every information is given to you. I think you can directly apply the formula. But if you are not knowing the formula, so in this case, I am going to help you. Okay, this is 83. Okay, so here we can apply the formula of v of x on y, that is equal to, right? That is equal to summation of xy minus summation of x into summation of y divided by n, this whole divided by summation of y square minus summation of y whole square divided by n. This is the formula which you can apply to find out b of x on y. Okay, so now I am waiting for you to answer the question. Okay, I think you will be able to solve it within a minute. So you are having the time to solve this question for a minute. Now just get the answer. Okay, try it. This is a 2 marks question. So these types of questions always come in 2 marks, and 4 marks question will be from linear programming section. That means it will be a linear programming problem. Okay, so I'll let you know how to solve a linear programming problem. So you'll be getting 4 marks out of 4, right? Till the time, just solve it fast. B of x on y. All the participants, how many are watching this lecture, just try to do it. Okay, now let me help you out. See, first of all, you have to put up the value summation of xy. Summation of xy will be what? Which is already given as 83 minus summation of x into summation of y, 15 into 25, whole divided by n. N is what? Can we find out n over here? What should be the value of n over here? Tell me. Can anyone tell me what will be the value of n over here? If you know. How do we find out n? You must be knowing n is the number of observation, right? It is already given as for 5 observation. Understand? So this will be the value of n. You must be knowing. आपको पता होना चाहिए कि number of observations क्या होते हैं? 5 होते हैं. Summation of y square. Summation of y square is given like 135 minus summation of y whole square, that is 25 whole square. So 25 whole square, this will be 625 and divided by n, that is 5. Okay, now b of x on y, that is equal to 5. We will take LCM, so it will be multiplied over here. So 5 3s are 15, 5 8s are 40, plus 1, 41, minus 15 into 25. 25 5s are 125, 25 1s are 25 plus 12, that will be 37. So we'll be getting 415 divided by 5 and whole divided by again 5 into 135. So 5 5s are 25, 5 3s are 15, plus 2 17, 5 1s are 5 or 1 6, minus 6 to 5 and this whole divided by 5. So 5 will be cancelled out. We are getting 415 minus 6375, 15 and plus 25, that is 40. So it should be 40 over here, and here 675 minus 625, this should be 50. Agree? So I hope you are also getting the same, right? So we can cancel out them and this will give you 0.8. The answer will be 0.8. Now they were asking for b of y on x also. So we can apply the same formula in terms of b of y on x, right or not? So let's apply this formula. So we will be having b of y on x, that will be equal to how much? Summation of xy, right, minus summation of y into summation of x. Here we can write summation of y into summation of x. Okay, divided by n and whole divided by, what should it be here? It should be like summation of x square minus summation of x whole square and divided by n. So this is the formula based on b of x on y on x, right? Now we can apply it. So b of y on x, that will be equal to summation of xy. Summation of xy was given like 83 minus sigma y into summation of y into summation of x. Will it be like how much? 25 into, it was given like 12, I think. Let me match. Yes, no, not 12. Summation of x and y, 25 into 15. This was 15 over here, right? Now divided by n. N is given 5, whole divided by summation of x square. Summation of x square is given 55 minus summation of x is 15, okay, and n is 5. So 15 whole square upon 5. So now we can solve it. The LCM, here we are taking LCM as 5 in the numerator. Here also we are taking LCM as 5. So 5 into 3, 5 3s are 15, 5 8s are 40, plus 1 41. This is 415, right? Minus 25 into 15. 25 5 is a 125 and 25 ones are 25. So plus 12, that will be 37. Now here 5 into 5, 25, 5 5 is a 25 again, then plus 2, 27 minus 225. So we are getting this as, this will be cancelled out. 415 minus 375, that will be 40, and 275 minus 225, that will be 50. So again we are getting 0.8 as the answer. Clear? I hope this part is clear to all of you. Okay. So you can note down these two formula, which is very important for you. This is n actually. Okay. This is n. This is n over here. Keep in mind. Note it down now. Now we are just moving to the next question, which is last, which is 4 marks question. Now we are just going to solve 4-mark question of section C. Okay. Now let's do the next question. But before that, I just want to tell you that is mega offer, right? As I already explained you that if you are going to buy 12 months or more than 12 months subscription, then you will be getting 2 months extra subscription as free. That means आपको एक free मिल रहा है 2 months का subscription. And if you are going to use my code, so there also you'll be getting a flat discount as 10% on purchasing plus subscription of any duration. Understand? If you are purchasing any of the duration of plus subscription, you'll be having 10% discount by using my code, which is Sanam J Live. My code is Sanam J Live, so please keep in mind this code SANAMJLIV. आप किसी भी तरह का कितने मंथ्स का सब्सक्रिप्शन ले सकते हैं by using my code. Okay, so everywhere you will be getting a 10% discount. Okay, and this is valid for 500 subscription, right? But this is just valid for 500 subscriber, because this can be valid only for 500 subscription. The reason, if you want to be a 500 first 500 subscriber, then this offer is just for you. Okay, so still you are having time to go and get it. So don't waste your time. Just go and get this offer and avail it. Right, here we go. Now I just want to tell you that, as I already explained you, that you will be getting one more chance, okay, for Unacademy Prodigy, which is extended to see you on 27 Feb, right? So only 3 days to go. Only 3 days to go. So I suggest you to enroll fast as soon as possible. The timing is 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. Okay, and you will be having a prize up to 10 cr, which is the best prize I can see. 10 cr prize is the best, okay, which you can get ever. So you can win the prizes up to 10 cr. So this is the best part that can be given by Unacademy. Okay, now as I would like to explain you that already the batches are running over here, okay, which is one of the batches champion batch and one of the batches 11th class, one of the for 12th class. So if you want to join these batches, definitely you can join. This was started from the 1st of February. We have started these batches and you can be a part of them. Okay. So here we are going to complete your term second exam syllabus. We are going to complete term second exam syllabus over here. Understand? So if you have not completed till now anything, then you can be a part of these sessions and will be able to cover your whole syllabus within a time limit. Understand? So go and get it as soon as possible. And now we are just going to solve the last question, which was of 4 marks, right? So this is question from LLP, that means LPP, which is linear programming problem. This question will be from linear programming problem, right? So for this, you must be having 5 steps, right? You will be having 5 steps to be done, which I'm going to let you know. A first step, which is your objective function. You need objective function, right or not? Second, you will be having constraints. Third, you will be having representation of constraint on the graph. Representation of constraints on the graph, right? And next, you'll be having a corner points, or we call it corner points, or we call it critical points, right? This is the fourth and last. You can maximize the value, and here they're asking the maximize or minimize. Let's understand, we have to maximize the profit here, so we can write find out the maximum value. Last step will be to find out the maximum value, right? Okay, so these are the 5 steps to be taken to solve this question. Okay, so first of all, the question says like what? They have said a manufacturer wishes to produce two commodities A and B. The number of units of material, labor and equipment needed to produce 1 unit of each commodity is shown in the table. Also shown in the available number of units of each of them. Okay, so they have given material. For commodity A we are having 1, commodity B we are having 2, and this total available number of units are 8. Okay, for labor 3, 2 and 12, equipment 1, 1 and 10. Okay, these are the available number of units. Now they are saying maximum profit if each unit of commodity A earns a profit of 2 rupees and each unit of commodity B earns a profit of rupees 3. So basically this we can say as a objective function. This will be our objective function which we have to maximize, right? So we can take a let the number of units as x and y, right or not? If we are going to avail with the profit of number of units as x and y, then only we can find out the objective function, right or not? So we are just going to start with, first of all, you will write your objective function. So what is your objective function in this over here? See, your objective function will be what? If we are taking, let number of units as x and y, right? If we are taking number of units as x and y, so our objective function will be what? 2x plus 3y. Yes or no? Our objective function will be 2x plus 3y. That is equal to z. This will be our objective function which we have to maximize, right or not? This only we have to maximize. So this will be our objective function. Now we are just writing the constraints. Constraints are given like for commodity A they need 1, for commodity B they need B, they need 2, and the total number of units are 8 maximum. Available units are maximum as 8. So we can write here the equation as constraint. One of the constraint we have as x into 1 plus 2 into y, that is less than or equal to 8. This is the one of the constraint. Agree or not? Which we can write as x plus 2y, which is less than or equal to 8, which we can consider as equation number 1. Okay, this is one of the constraint. Now second constraint will be what? They have said for labor they need 3 from A and 2 from community B, and total 12. The maximum is 12. So we will be having 3x plus 2y less than or equal to 12. Agree or not? This is a second equation. This is a second constraint. Okay, next they said 1 from here, 1 from here, and total should be 10. Okay, so we can write here 1 into x plus 1 into y, that should be less than or equal to 10. So our equation will be x plus y, which should be less than or equal to 10. Okay, less than or equal to 10. So this will be a one of the equation number third, right? So these constraint we have to represent on the graph, then only we can find out the maximum value. So first of all, we are finding the values for them. Okay, let's take out minimum 2 or maximum 3. So x and y. See, we have to solve this equation. So if we are taking x as 0, we are taking x as 0, then y should be 4 only. Then y will be 4. Or if you are taking y as 0, then x should be 8. Right or not? Or you can do like that, that you can take x as 2 and y as also 2. So x you can take as 2, 2 2s are 4. No, x will be 4 and y you can keep as 2. So 4 plus 4 will be 8. Okay, so these are the points of the very first equation. Okay, this is our point. These are the points of very first equation. Now we are finding the points for second equation. Let's find out. X and y. First of all, if x is 3 or x is 4, then y will be 0. If y is 6, then x is 0. That's it. And if you want this, then we can write here x as 2, 2 3s are 6, and y as 3. So this will be 6. So again, you will be getting 12. So we have got these points. Now, the points of this equation, we are writing over here only. X and y. Here we can write first of all 5 and 5. You can write 6 and 4. You can write 4 and 6. Right or not? That will be equal to 10. So basically we have taken out all the points over here. Okay, now what we do, what is the next step to be done? We have to represent all the values on the graph, right? You have to represent all these values on the graph. So after representing the value on the graph, we will be able to find the maximum value of z, right? So let's represent all the values on the graph. Okay, so let's draw a graph first of all. Here we are going to draw the graph. X, this we can consider as y, this we can consider as o. Okay, and here we need the points like 0 on x we need 4, maximum on y we need 8. Here also, yeah, that's it. So we are just marking 1 to 8 over here. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8, and here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. And my difference can be possible because I am not taking as a actual measurement. Your representation should be actual by using the scale. Okay, always keep in mind you have to use scale only. Okay, and take the proper gap in the units, so you will get the exact answer, right? So here we go. First point is given like, we are taking the very first sequence 0 comma 4 0 comma 8. 0 comma 4, that means this point. 0 comma 8, that means this point. This is not possible. I think we did some mistake over here, as x we have taken as 0, y will be 4, that's fine. If here x you are taking as again 0. No. Here should be y as 0 and x should be 8. That can be possible. 8 comma 0 should be here. So here we are taking 8 comma 0. That means this point. So these 2 points which we have to meet over here with a straight line. Okay, we have drawn. Now next, see I am just drawing without using scale. You have to draw by using a scale, so you will get the actual points. Okay, now next, this equation we can write as what? X plus 2y is equals to 8. This equation will be x plus 2y, that is equal to 8. Now next equation we are going to represent. So points are 4 comma 0 and 0 comma 6. 4 comma 0 and 0 comma 6. These are the points which we can draw. They will meet afterwards. Okay, like this. So this is the equation which is 3x plus 2y is equals to 12. This is the equation 3x plus 2y, that is equal to 12. That is equal to 12. Okay. Now let's talk about the next question. Okay. I'm sorry everyone, due to some network issue, it was done. So we can write this as equal to 12. Okay, now next equation, which is given like x plus y is equals to 10. So 5 comma 5, 6 comma 4. We can represent 5 comma 5 and 6 comma 4. 5 comma 5. That means the point should be around here. Okay. And next point is 6 comma 4. X is 6 and y is 4. That means it should be around here. Right? So we can draw this equation also. The lines are not straight. Okay, just keep them as a straight one. Like this. You can use a scale over here. Right. So these are our lines which you have already drawn. Now we need the corner points first of all. Okay. So definitely all the lines are here which will be along with this direction only. Right. All the lines are giving the shaded part along this direction only. Okay. So what should be our corner points over here? One of the point will be having this one. One of the point will be having this one. One of the point will be having this one. And here one of the point will be there. Right. So these are the points which you can measure. So first of all, you need to write the corner points. To give the answer, you need to write the corner points. Okay. The corner points are, which you can mark. Here it will be approximate 10. This you can consider as 0, 10. This point we can consider as 9 and 10. Okay, approximate. And here this we are going to consider as 8, 0. And this we can consider as 4, 0. Right. And this we can consider as So let's first of all take out the corner points, right? So corner points will be like this only. So the best value we are getting as x is equals to 2 comma 3, right? Here also the point is coming as 2 comma 3. Okay, so after finding the corner points, after finding the corner points, आपको क्या करना है? You have to find out the value of z. आपको क्या करना है? Z की वैल्यू फाइंड करना है. आप जैसे ही Z की वैल्यू फाइंड करोगे सारे कॉर्नर पॉइंट्स पे, मेरे कॉर्नर पॉइंट्स थोड़े से डिफर कर सकते हैं, राइट? क्योंकि मैंने जो स्ट्रेट लाइंस ड्रॉ की हैं वो प्रॉपर नहीं है. You have to draw the proper straight line in your graph paper. Okay, so you'll be get the correct corner points. So from there you can take out the value of z, and from there you can decide that which one is the maximum and which one is the minimum. So that will be your answer. I hope you understood this. My corner points can be different. The reason, the lines are not straight actually, right? That's why. But I already explained you the reason. Okay, so I hope that you will be getting the answer accurate by using your correct scale. Understand? So here we have done these questions. Now I would like to say that you can get in touch with your counselor also. Okay, if you are confused about your preparation journey, if you are confused about your subscription plans, if you are confused about your latest offer, then you can definitely be a part of your counselor. That we can get in touch with your counselor, and you have to call on a number 8585858585. So this is the number which can be reminded by you, okay, easily. And you can use my code for any kind of enrollment over here, like Sanam Jain Live. So you'll be getting your 10% discount also, and you'll be getting the enrollment as free for special classes, right? And here I just want to say thank you to all of you to subscribe our channel and to like our channel, okay, to like the video and share it as much as possible. So today we have done the explanation of the section C, which is coming as 8 marks in examination. So I hope you understood how do we solve the questions. So you will be getting the maximum marks in the exams, right? Thank you. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. See ya.